Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a breakfast sandwich. It's very simple and it's delicious. I already put the stove on low. I have it on low there, and what we're going to do is we're going to whisk one egg. We're going to put a little bit of salt. You can make it with 2 eggs if you like. I'm gonna use only one. And some pepper. Okay, so we got a big pan here, which it's dirty because I already made another one. This is the second one. Okay, a little dab of butter, and we're gonna wait till it melts. In the meantime, whisk this egg. Okay, and we're gonna try to get the egg from one side to the other side, just like that. Gonna leave it there. Gonna raise the temperature to medium, and let's just let it set for a few seconds there. Okay, now we're gonna put a bread, two slices of bread. And we're going to drizzle some oil, olive oil, on top of the bread. Okay, and when the egg looks like it's almost done, we're going to turn this. We're going to turn it over. We're going to turn in if we have any. Okay, now we're going to add cheese. I'm using the Swiss cheese, ham. I'm going to lower the heat to low. You don't want that toast to burn. Another slice of cheese, Swiss cheese. Another slice of ham. I'm using the sweet ham. I'm putting a little bit of grape jelly and a little bit of ketchup. And now we're gonna fold it over. Beautiful breakfast, beautiful and delicious breakfast sandwich. You can add to it whatever you like, whatever cheese you like, or you can omit whatever you like. You can take out the ketchup, not put jelly, but there it is. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching, and please come back again. Bye bye.